1933. In the newly formed Nazi Germany, a new road system was being constructed, the Reichsautobahn. Leader Adolf Hitler wanted to build a new, simple, and cheap car to be mass-produced for use on the new road network. At the time, most cars in Germany were expensive luxury vehicles. Hitler commissioned Ferdinand Porsche to design the new car. This would come under the name Volkswagen, or People's Car. A few early prototype models were built by Porsche for other companies to experiment with some design concepts. By 1935, the first two prototypes of the Volkswagen were completed. The final design of the car was completed in 1938, and by May 26 of that year, the very first Volkswagen factory opened in what is now Wolfsburg to produce the new cars. Hitler was given the first convertible model and called it the Kraft durch Freudewagen, or Strength Through Joy car. But although it was officially known as the Type 1, they became widely known as the Beetle or Bug due to its unique round body styling. Before World War II, the Beetle was designed for a top speed of 100 kilometers an hour, which was the ideal cruising speed for the Reichsautobahn, but only a small number of Beetles were produced during that time. However, during World War II, production of the civilian models were halted for Volkswagen to contribute to the war, so several different models mechanically based on the Beetle were produced specifically for use in the war. Shortly after the war ended, civilian production resumed and sales began to skyrocket. People loved the Beetle for being a simple, affordable, and reliable vehicle that was also easy to maintain, as that was its initial purpose. By the 1960s, the Beetle became an icon of pop culture as it was a symbol of peace, love, and harmony. In 1971, a higher-end version of the Beetle was introduced, known as the Super Beetle, and in the following year, the Beetle became the best-selling car in history at the time, surpassing the Ford Model T, which sold about 15 million units. Over the years, the Beetle made some significant appearances in movies and television shows, including the Disney series with Herbie the Love Bug. The original Beetle's design was sold all the way into 2003, with very few modifications ever made, becoming the longest produced and best-selling car of a single platform in history with over 21 million units sold. An updated version called the New Beetle was introduced in 1997, followed by the Beetle A5 in 2011. Unfortunately, the Beetle went out of production in July of 2019 due to poor sales. Nonetheless, the original Volkswagen Type 1 or Beetle has become one of the most recognizable vehicles ever made, and it has earned my title of a golden classic.